Okay kids, who knows the answer to the problem?
I do, Miss Queef-a-Lot.
What did you say, Jordan?
You heard me. Bitch, I'm tired of dealing with your fucking shit. You're a fucking slut. You think you're hot, JST, because you lick Mr. Reyes' mole.
No, Jordan, shut up. But I got something you can lick. You can lick my hairy ass blue waffle. You could lick it dry too.
I would very much like that. I want to stick my head inside your blue waffle and lick it clean inside.
Okay, then after class, you stay after, and you can do it, and you can pluck the hairs on it with your teeth.
Oh, please stop. You're going to make me jizz in my pants. I feel the tickling in my small dick. It's starting to grow bigger.
Jordan, I want to quiff on your mouth. I want to lick your dirty asshole dry, if that's fine with you.
Yes, it is fine. I have not had nothing wet inside my asshole in a long time.